Analysts expect Mindray Medical International Ltd, ADR, New York Stock Exchange Mr. to report 26 cents EPS on November 3. They anticipate 1 cent EPS change, or 3.70% from last quarter's 27 cents EPS. Mr. S profit would be $30.80 million, giving it 26.87 PE, if the 26 cents EPS is correct. After having 27 cents EPS previously, Mindray Medical International Ltd, ADR, TES analysts see -3.70% EPS growth. It closed at $27.94 lastly. It is down 0.00% since October 12, 2016 and is dotted as underperformed by 16.70% the S&P 500. Tower Research Capital Llc Trc decreased Altria Group Inc. MO, staked by 85.31% reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Tower Research Capital Llc Trc sold 15,080 shares as Altria Group Inc. MO, S stock declined 2.84%. The Tower Research Capital Llc Trc holds 2,597 shares with $193,000 value, down from 17,677 last quarter. Altria Group Inc. now has $124.85 B valuation. The stock increased 0.74%, or 48 cents during the last trading session, reaching $65.35. About 6.89 M shares traded. Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, has risen 11.92% since October 12, 2016 and is uptrending. It is underperformed by 4.78% the S&P 500. Mindray Medical International Ltd is a developer, maker, and marketer of medical devices across the world. The company has market cap of $3.31 billion. The firm operates in 3 divisions: patient monitoring and life support products, in vitro diagnostic products and medical imaging systems. It has a 18.8 PE ratio. The company's patient monitoring devices track the physiological parameters of patients, such as heart rate, blood pressure, respiration and temperature. Tower Research Capital Llc Trc increased ProShares TER, SPXU, staked by 72,470 shares to 83,053 valued at $1.30 million in 2017 Q2. It also upped Ridex Trust, RSP, stake by 4,670 shares and now owns 7,639 shares. Occidental Peat Corporation Dell, New York Stock Exchange OXY, was raised too. Analysts await Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, to report earnings on October 26. They expect 88 cents earnings per share, up 7.32%, or 6 cents from last year's 82 cents per share. MO's profit will be $1.68 B for 18.57 PE. If the 88 cents EPS becomes a reality. After 85 cents actual earnings per share reported by Altria Group Inc. for the previous quarter, Wall Street now forecasts 3.53% EPS growth. Investors' sentiment increased to 0.91 in 2017 Q2. It's up 0.01 from 0.9 in 2017 Q1. It is positive, as 63 investors sold MO shares, while 529 reduced holdings. 97 funds opened positions, while 444 raised stakes. 1.16 billion shares, or 0.78% less from 1.17 billion shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Independent investors holds 0.41%, or 12,700 shares. Calamos Wealth Management Lc owns 91,167 shares, or 0.96% of their U.S. portfolio. Argent Capital Management Lc holds 4,600 shares, or 0.01% of its portfolio. Capital Invest Advisors Limited LLC holds 0.6%, or 112,012 shares. 99,529 are held by Ali Limited. Capsarl holds 0.21% of its portfolio in Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, for 32,420 shares. Banst Corporation invested 2.22% of its portfolio in Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO. Tokyo Marine Asset MNGMT Limited owns 19,544 shares. Orleans Capital MNGMT Law owns 42,033 shares. Bridge Creek Investment Limited Liability Oklahoma-based fund reported 98,366 shares. Colonial Trust invested in 0.26%, or 15,629 shares. Principal Fin Group reported 2.91 M shares. Northwest Counselors Limited invested in 277 shares. Regent Atlantic Limited Liability accumulated 36,246 shares. Mercer Capital Advisors holds 0.38% of its portfolio in Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, for 6,848 shares. Among 18 analysts covering Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, 12 have buy rating, 0 sell and 6 hold. Therefore 67% are positive. Altria Group Inc. had 43 analyst reports since July 31, 2015 according to Stratton Sintel. The firm has neutral rating by UBS given on Friday, February 26. The firm has sector perform rating given on Monday, July 31 by RBC Capital Markets. The stock has hold rating by Jefferies on Monday, July 17. Jefferies maintained Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, rating on Tuesday, September 26. Jefferies has hold rating in $67.0 target. Barclays Capital maintained the stock with equal weight rating in Thursday, March 30 report. UBS maintained Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, on Monday, July 31 with neutral rating. As per Tuesday, September 26, the company rating was upgraded by Cohen & Company. The firm has buy rating given on Monday, July 31 by Wells Fargo. RBC Capital Markets maintained Altria Group Inc., New York Stock Exchange MO, rating on Tuesday, October 3. RBC Capital Markets has hold rating and $62.0 target. Credit Agricole downgraded the stock to outperform rating in Thursday, July 30 report.